Hey, how's it going? Well, we're having some electrical issues, which I showed in the previous video, and I'll show you to those again, but we're going to tackle them again today on this 2001 XJ. So we have a couple things going on. Number one, when we turn on the headlights, even just parking lights, I get those on the dash cluster, and headlights fully on and then headlights off. Now also, when I turn on the turn signal, that happens left or right. And then combination, let's turn on the headlights and do the signal. I'm not sure, I hear a noise, it sounds like the flasher. So we've already replaced the multifunction switch, and today we're going to replace the flasher relay. As always, when we're working with electrical stuff, we want to disconnect the negative cable from the battery. Flip this off. Let's get it right out of the way down here. Now I've already removed the lower dash and the knee blocker from the previous video. We're gonna get in here in just a second, and right up here above this is the flasher unit. It needs to be detached and unplugged. Here is the box for the new flasher. Let's get that out of here, let's take a look at it. Big square piece. We got 5 prongs on the bottom. So the connector that this is plugged into is it's attached with like a little you can't really see it in here, but attached with a little Christmas tree. It's kind of connected to something we can just pull off. So I'm gonna get the screwdriver here. I tried to pull it off by hand, and it just didn't come off. So let me get something and pull that off here. Let's see what I got. I got a little door trim puller here. Factory service manual said just pop it right off. So I don't really see that happening. It looks like this whole thing's gonna break off of there. I don't want to break it off. I'm gonna just try to unplug it where it sits, I think, and then put the new one on there. All right, wish us luck. All right, let's see. Got it spun around here, and that's what we're looking at. Let's see if we can just pull it. Oh shit! Well, I guess I detached it from its hanger. Let's see. Maybe that's a good thing. Yeah, so it looks like the thing that hangs it on back there is notched, and it's a long valley, and that is going to fit right into the top of that connector plug, which is holding our flasher. So let me remove the flasher. All right. That pulls out. Let's look at our plug wires here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires going in, and that's what we have on the back of our plug. It's 5. On our flasher, there's 5 blade plug-ins, just like this. And you see one, we got 3 across the middle. Then we have horizontal and vertical. That'll tell us how to plug it in here. Got the horizontal and vertical. All right. So let's plug that sucker in. You can see all of that, but we got that plugged in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know if I can maybe spin that around. Well, you can't see that. Okay, I spun that around. I'm pushing this on. I'm gonna flip it around this way. That's gonna kind of hold it in place up there for now. Let's get this thing started. All right. Put this on. All right, let's get her started here. Alright, good news. Alright, and then that's all it is to replacing the flasher relay. Unfortunately, we still have the same problem. When I turn on the headlights all the way, after I use the turn signal, it acts a little better. It was going really fast. Now it's kind of slow. I guess the next thing we're going to do here is replace this switch. And then we really have to do some wiring. Wire troubleshooting, go into the wiring diagram. And there you go. So what we're going to do again is have another video on replacing the headlamp switch. So until then, we'll be seeing you.